Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I want to tell you something very simple but beautiful message. Don't judge anyone by their appearance. A person may look very simple but have a golden heart. Someone may look very strong but be broken inside. Remember, appearances can be deceptive. Look deeper, feel deeper, and understand better. Honesty, respect, and kindness are more beautiful than looks because real beauty is always invisible. So, don't judge anyone by their appearance. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.